this video we're going to talk about pull requests, or merge requests as they're referred to in other Git tools. So a pull request is something you're going to use a lot, especially if you collaborate with other developers. And a pull request is sort of like a request for merging one branch with another branch. So if you have a feature branch that you want to merge with the master branch, you can make a pull request that will show you the differences between the two branches and sort of a diff of the commits that are grouped together in this pull request. And if the maintainer of the repository chooses to accept and merge the pull request, then all those commits that are grouped together are going to be merged with the branch, in this case the master branch. So in order to see how that looks, I already cheated and added a small change. So if you run git status, you can see that we have a modified file. And to show this, we want to commit this to a new branch. So let's check out a new branch and call it awesome feature. And add and commit. And now we want to push this new branch to GitHub, and we want to create the branch at the same time, and there's this sort of shorthand we can use. So instead of just typing git push as we normally do, we type git push origin, which refers to the version that's on GitHub, and then the name of the branch, and then a colon, and then the name of the branch one more time. And this is going to take the awesome feature branch, and then it's going to push it to GitHub, creating a new branch in the remote repository as well at the same time. So if we run this command, we're going to get a message from GitHub here that will create a new branch, awesome feature, and we push the awesome feature branch into the new awesome feature branch. And if we jump back to GitHub, you can see here that even though we didn't even refresh the page, GitHub's already aware that we pushed this new branch, and it's asking us if we want to compare and make a pull request. And that's exactly what we want to do. So let's just click here. And in this part of where we open a pull request, we can decide what our base branch is and which branch we want to compare with. So in this case, it already pre-selected master, and that's also what we want to use as our base branch. And we want to compare it against the awesome feature branch. And here it's just going to add the description from the latest commit, and I think we can come up with something better. Let's call the pull request awesome features and pretend like there were more than one feature. And then we could write a description if we wanted to, and down here we have the diff. And now we can create our pull request. Now the pull request is created, and you can see here that Peter soon wants to merge one commit into master from awesome feature. So that's pretty easy to understand, I think. And you can see here that there's only one commit in this pull request, and there's only one file changed. So I think this pull request is ready to be merged. So let's ask GitHub to merge it for us. And the commit message for the merge of the pull request is just going to be the name of the pull request, and that's fine for us. So we're going to confirm the merge. And another awesome thing about GitHub is that it offers us to delete the remote branch now that we merged the feature, and I always do that. And now let's jump back to Git on our local machine. Now the only thing we need to do is to run a git pull, so we get those newest changes that we just merged into the master branch down on our local machine. And it's pretty simple, just run git pull, and then we're going to get the newest changes. And if we run git log, you can see that here's the commit where we merged the pull request, and here is the awesome feature that we added. And if we run git branch, we can see that we still have the awesome branch here lying around, but we don't really have any use of it anymore, so we just want to delete it. And we can do that with the git branch -d, capital D, and then the name of the branch. And this is going to delete the branch. And if we run git branch again, you can see that it's now deleted, and we have the newest changes in our master branch. And that's a really good workflow if you want to sort of keep things separated. Work on a feature branch and then push it to GitHub, make a pull request. You have a nice overview of all the changes you made, Normally you would have more than one commit, and as soon as you committed the feature to master, you can pull it down on your local machine. So that's all for this video about pull requests. In the next video we're going to talk about the open source workflow, which is sort of like a more advanced version of what we just did. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.